Imagine a world where you could eat pizza every single day. Sounds like a dream, right? But what if that dream became real? Would you feel like a superhero with endless energy, or would it slow you down? This week, I'm putting pizza to the test. Kids love pizza, and parents worry about it. But what's the real story? Join me on this wild, cheesy adventure as I eat nothing but pizza for a whole week and discover what happens. Join me as I dig into the question, is pizza really bad for kids? I'm going to challenge myself to eat nothing but pizza for a week and see how it affects me. Pizza is a staple in many kids' diets, and it's no secret that they love it. From birthday parties to family dinners, pizza is often the go-to option. But with all the debate around its health implications, it's worth taking a closer look. Parents often worry about the high calorie counts and sodium levels in pizza. A single slice can range from 200 to 400 calories. And let's be real, who stops at just one slice? The sodium content is also a concern, with some slices containing up to 500 milligrams. That's a significant portion of the daily recommended intake. Many parents are also concerned about the nutritional value of pizza, or lack thereof. It's often seen as a treat rather than a meal, and for good reason. Traditional pizza crust is made from refined flour, and the sauce is often high in sugar. The cheese, while delicious, is also high in saturated fat. The concerns don't stop there. Many parents are also worried about the additives and preservatives found in commercial pizza. From artificial flavorings to preservatives, there are a lot of unknowns in that perfectly circular pie. Some parents are also concerned about the impact of pizza on their kids' eating habits. If they're eating pizza all the time, are they going to develop healthy relationships with food? The answer isn't so simple. While pizza does have its drawbacks, it's also a great way to get kids to eat some essential nutrients. For example, tomato sauce is high in vitamin C and lycopene, an antioxidant that's been linked to several health benefits. The nutritional aspects of pizza are more complex than they seem. While it's true that traditional pizza is high in calories and sodium, there are ways to make it healthier. For example, opting for a whole wheat crust can increase the fiber content, and loading up on veggies like bell peppers and mushrooms can add essential vitamins and minerals. Even the cheese has its benefits. It's a good source of calcium and protein. The key is to be mindful of the toppings and portion sizes. A slice of pizza with fresh veggies and a light coating of cheese can be a relatively healthy option. When it comes to making pizza healthier, the toppings are everything. Fresh veggies, lean proteins, and a light coating of cheese can turn a slice of pizza into a nutritious meal. Even the crust can be made healthier by opting for whole wheat or cauliflower. The benefits of pizza don't stop at the toppings either. Moderation is key when it comes to kids and pizza. While it's true that pizza shouldn't be a daily staple, it can be a fun and occasional treat. The problem arises when pizza becomes a regular part of the diet, leading to an imbalance of essential nutrients. Pizza can fit into a healthy diet when consumed wisely. It's all about balance and variety. If kids are getting a range of fruits, veggies, whole grains, and lean proteins, then an occasional slice of pizza won't hurt. In fact, it can even be beneficial. Pizza can be a great way to get kids to eat some essential nutrients, like calcium and protein from the cheese. The important thing is to be mindful of portion sizes and toppings, and to encourage kids to make healthy choices. The key to a healthy relationship with pizza is moderation. When kids understand that pizza is an occasional treat, they're more likely to make healthy choices. It's also important to lead by example. If parents are making healthy choices, kids are more likely to follow suit. By being mindful of portion sizes and toppings, and by encouraging kids to make healthy choices, parents can help their kids develop a positive relationship with food. Pizza can be a fun and enjoyable part of a healthy diet when consumed in moderation. In summary, pizza isn't inherently bad for kids when consumed in moderation. While it's true that traditional pizza has its drawbacks, there are ways to make it healthier. By opting for whole wheat crust, loading up on veggies, and being mindful of portion sizes, parents can help their kids enjoy pizza without sacrificing nutrition. Thanks for watching. If you have a favorite pizza topping, let me know in the comments below. Do you think pizza is okay for kids in moderation, or should it be avoided altogether? Let's chat about it. If you're looking for more healthy meal options for your kids, be sure to check out my next video for some fun and easy ideas.